Hello Po, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this Snowflake Granny Square. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to check out all my new videos. Thank you. Start off by making a magic ring. Chain 3, count as 1 double crochet, plus chain 2, equals 1 double crochet chain 2 or chain 5. One double crochet chain 2 into the ring for 7 more times. Pull yarn tail to secure. Slip stitch into the third chain. You should have a total of 1 double crochet chain 2, 8 times. Slip stitch again into the first chain 2 space. Chain 3, count as 1 double crochet. Make 2 double crochet into the same space, chain 2. Three double crochet chain 2 in each chain 2 spaces around. Slip stitch into the third chain. You should have a total of 3 double crochet chain 2, 8 times. Slip stitch again into the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. Chain 5, slip stitch into the same space. Chain 7, slip stitch into the same space. Chain 5, slip stitch into the same space. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Chain 3 slip stitch, chain 5 slip stitch, chain 7 slip stitch, chain 5 slip stitch into the next chain 2 space, chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat the same pattern around. Finish the round by slip stitching into the third chain. Cut the yarn, bring yarn tail at the back. Using yarn B, make a slip knot. One single crochet into any chain 5 space before chain 7 space, chain 2. One single crochet into the next chain 7 space, chain 2. One single crochet into the next chain 5 space, chain 3. One single crochet into the next chain 5 space, chain 2. One single crochet into the next chain 7 space, chain 2. One single crochet into the next chain 5 space, chain 3. Repeat the same pattern around. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1, one single crochet into the same space. One single crochet into the next chain 2 space. One single crochet into the next stitch. One single crochet into the next chain 2 space. One single crochet into the next stitch. 2 single crochet into the next chain 3 space. One single crochet in each chain 2 spaces and one single crochet stitches around. 2 single crochet in each chain 3 spaces. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. You should have a total of 56 single crochets. Chain 4, count as 1 treble crochet. One treble crochet into the next stitch. One double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. One treble crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 2 double treble crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, 2 double treble crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the same pattern for 3 more times. Slip stitch in 4th chain or make an invisible join, cut the yarn. You should have a total of 64 stitches. Don't forget to weave all the yarn tails at the back and cut the yarn. That's it. I hope you enjoyed or learned something new from watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. See you on my next.